Hi guys, and welcome back to Redstone Productions. Today we look into the Eve Audio SC407 studio monitors. Eve Audio has been founded by Roland Stans in 2011. Roland Stans was also in charge of founding Atom Audio. Eve Audio is a German brand based in Berlin that's been delivering speakers for the last few years. The Eve Audio SC407 that we are reviewing today sell for around 1,900 euros per speaker, and they're supposed to be delivering mid-field performances. Every time we put a set of speakers in a room, the final listening experience will be dictated by the quality of the speakers themselves, plus the acoustic space where we put the speakers in. The SC407 from Eve Audio are three-way powered speakers with 2x 6.5 inches woofers. They go down to 35 Hz, a 4-inch driver, and an air motion transformer tweeter. The frequency response tested in the lab goes from 35 Hz to 21 kHz. We do know that every time you purchase a speaker, you're somehow drawn in to see the frequency chart that the speaker comes with. Now, be aware that that frequency chart is something that's been plotted in an anechoic chamber. Eve Audio in Berlin are lucky enough to have their own anechoic chamber from the 50s, but they don't stop testing the speakers only in that ideal scenario. They do also have an echo chamber where they can test the speakers in a super reflective environment. On top of that, they also run a third test where they measure the frequency response in a normal office space, trying to replicate the normal scenarios in any home and pro studio. According to the speaker manual, you are supposed to be placing these speakers at about 2 to 3 meters from the sweet spot, since they are pretty big speakers. On top of that, Eve Audio is also suggesting to place the speakers at least 0.5 meters off the front wall. Since the Eve SC407 are three-ways power speakers, they do have two 185 watts amplifier for the 6.5-inch woofers, a 180 watt for the 4-inch mid woofer, and a 50 watt for the tweeter. Something that sets apart the Eve Audio speakers from other manufacturers is the easy accessibility to the volume knob on the front. On top of this, the DSP is also in charge of the crossover points and the built-in limiter. Something really cool about the Eve Audio speakers is that every time you switch the speakers off and then you switch them back on, the volume doesn't jump straight to the maximum, but instead it gently increases, avoiding any abrupt clicks and pops that might damage the speakers themselves plus the listener. On the back of the speakers you will also find some dip switches which allow you to lock in place both the volume and the filter settings. So the big advantage of employing a DSP is actually the recallability and the precision in terms of volume control. Thanks to the DSP design, we do have 4 filter modes: a desk filter, a low filter, a mid filter, and a high filter, to basically easily match the conditions and the positioning of the speakers within your own studio. The speaker cabinet is made of MDF, while the tweeter is housed in an aluminum plate. This is also very handy because just with the use of 4 screws, you can change the positioning of the speakers themselves. Hence, they can be positioned both vertically or horizontally. This is a full-range mid-field speaker, meaning it can deliver frequency response going from 35 Hz up to 21 kHz. In case you do want to go any lower than those 35 Hz, I suggest to also pair these speakers with the TS12 subwoofer from Eve Audio themselves. Something I really appreciate about the Eve Audio speaker design is their air motion transformer tweeter, which allows you to work for countless hours without experiencing ear fatigue. And the three-way design is also allowing both the amplifiers and the drivers to operate at their optimal level. In my own experience, I can tell you that these speakers are designed to be used as mid-field speakers in a professional environment, and they do deliver a fully flat frequency response. They do have this extra flexibility that allows you to position them wherever you want and however you want. The extra DSP, it's also extremely welcome because it allows you to lock in place volume settings, filter settings, as a limiter that will never destroy your speakers, and on top of it, all of those extra features like the slowly increasing volume every time you turn the speaker on. Those are really good features that again will make sure that you keep this speaker in shape for a long time. All in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big thanks to Eve Audio for letting us demo the speakers, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I see you next time.